Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you something different, an easy chapati recipe. All you'll need is 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil and 1.5 cups of water. First step, rub the oil into the flour until it forms a breadcrumb consistency. Add water to your dough and knead it out until it becomes soft and does not stick to your hands. Easy way to knead your dough is by taking the palm of your right hand and stretching the dough out to the left, and using the palm of your left hand and stretching the dough out to the right. Add flour gradually to make sure your dough doesn't stick too much to the surface. Once your dough is ready, place it in a container and rub it with oil. Cover it with cling wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Once your dough is rested, divide it into 12 balls and roll it out as thin as you can. Apply a tablespoon of oil and roll this into a log shape. Form a ball with your dough by spiraling it around your finger and tucking the tail underneath the ball. You can also form your ball by twisting the log around your finger and tucking the tail underneath the ball. The third way you can do this is by taking one end and twisting it upwards, second end twisting downwards until they come together and make a figure of 8. Then flip one end over and make a ball. Make sure to keep your balls underneath the kitchen towel to prevent them from drying out during this step. Now it's time to fry your chapati. Roll out the ball into your desired thickness. Cut it out using a pot lid to get a perfect circle and fry it in a lightly oiled pan on medium-high heat. This would take about 5 minutes on each side until it has golden brown freckles. Place your chapati in a sealable container with a dish towel cloth to keep it warm and moist. This will help keep your chapati soft. There you have it, soft, flaky chapati. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.